Here's I'll show you how to add like count on OBS. First of all, go ahead and open the YouTube video and copy the video link. Now you have to open this website youtube.likecounter.com. In this box, paste the video link and click on search. And here we can see this current video views, like, dislike and comment. All you have to need after pasting the video link here, just copy this website link from here and then go back to your OBS and select the scene, and under sources click on this plus icon, select browser source and typing here like count and paste the website URL here. Click on OK. And we can see the specific video like count successfully added. Now we have to crop this widget. So just hold down the Alt or Option key and go ahead and crop this widget. So I want to only visible the like count, so I'm just cropping everything else. Okay, now you can just go ahead and resize this widget, and to change this widget color, select the like count source and click on filters. Click on this plus icon, select color correction, and now click on this, select color and go ahead and select your desired color and click on close, and we can see the widget color successfully changed.